Somerset's vaccination programme has reached its next impressive milestone. More than 300,000 people have now had a jab. And now the priority is switching to those waiting for their second dose.
Everyone who's had their first dose, there is a second dose for them, so no one needs to worry about the vaccines running out and not receiving their second dose. If you get your invitation, it definitely is the right thing for you to go, and don't worry, you're not taking that vaccine from someone who needs it more than you. So when you receive your invitation to come and have your COVID vaccination, no matter how well or fit or healthy you think you are, please book to have it.
The second dose will be with the same vaccine as you had first time around. You can't choose which one you have. And if you had your first jab at one of the larger centres, like this at Taunton Racecourse, then you can go online and book your second appointment through this NHS website. If you had your first vaccination through a GP or hospital hub, then they'll contact you to arrange your second appointment. And don't worry, you will get the call. Somerset County Council's Director of Public Health has just had her first jab. Earlier this year, her mother was at the same centre. Both had the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, which has had quite a lot of negative publicity of late. But the available evidence, including from the UK's Medicines Regulatory Body, confirms the vaccine is safe and the benefits of preventing COVID-19 far outweigh any possible risks.
The vaccines, both the vaccines that we've got in this country at the moment, have been really well researched, fast, but really well researched. So I don't have any qualms about having either of them, to be honest.
This is our vaccine fridge where we store our delivery supplies as they come in.
There's been much talk too about possible vaccine shortages, but the message in Somerset is if you already have an appointment, either for your first or second jab, it will go ahead. In the coming weeks there may be a slowing down of vaccine delivery, but then since this programme started, the pace of vaccinations has gone up and down according to vaccine supplies. Now, I've had my first jab and I'm looking forward to my second, but there is a fear that as we drop down the age groups, then there may be a slowdown in the take-up of vaccinations. We know also that there is a reticence among some communities about vaccinations.
Protect yourself, your family, your community.
Suman Shah is a pharmacist in Somerset. Now, he's aware that different communities have a certain vaccine reticence, but he makes this plea.
Would you not consider it to be just to save yourself, help your community, etc.? Would you not consider having the COVID vaccines? I don't know about you, but I've had the first vaccine and I almost feel like I should wear a t-shirt which says the virus stops here.
Yeah, no temperature, no fever. No.
Now, as COVID restrictions start to be eased, it's important we still keep up our guard. Vaccinations alone cannot beat this virus. The return to normal life has to be slow and careful. I'll see you next week.